morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. So children, in our today's class, we are going to continue the same topic what we had learned in our previous class. Okay? So topic is what? Parts of the day. Yes? So children, let's do recap what we had learned in our previous class about parts of the day. Yes, tell me children. Parts of the day? It's divided morning, noon, afternoon and evening. So morning, evening and night make a day. Yes or no? So also we have learned what? About timeline. A timeline is a number line on which time is shown. Yes or no? Yeah, children? A timeline is a what? A timeline is a number line on which time is shown. Now tell me, one day equal to how many hours? Yes, it's a recap part for you. One day equal to 24 hours. Yes or no? So that 24 hours is divided into two. 12 hours plus 12 hours. 12 hours morning time and 12 hours what? In afternoon and evening time. Now, I'll ask you some questions. Okay children, tell me, based on the topic or based on the things what we had learned in our previous class. Now you tell me children, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called what? Yeah children, we have learned this one with the help of timeline. Yes or no? The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called, what time it is? 12 midnight to 12 noon. What time it is? Yeah children? Tell me. The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called morning. Morning time. Yes or no? So, a day. Morning, evening, or we call it this one afternoon also, a night make a day. Yes? So time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called morning. Now tell me, the time between 12 noon to midnight. The time between 12 noon to midnight is called what? Is called what, children? Time between 12 noon to midnight is called what? Yes? Will tell me the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon to 12 midnight is called what? It is afternoon and evening. Yes or no? Yes? Now, in our today's class, what we are going to learn? We are going to find the parts of the day when the activities happen. We are going to find the parts of the day when the activities happen. Okay children? Yes? So, I will take some activities, right? And we are going to find the parts of the day. Clear children? Yes? As already we have learned parts of the day, morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, yes? So one day equal to 24 hours, 12 hours from 12 midnight to 12 noon, it is a morning time, 12 hours. 12 noon to midnight is afternoon, evening time. It's 12 hours. So 12 plus 12 equal to 24 hours. So one day equal to 24 hours. Got it, children? So children, now what we are going to learn? We are going to find the part of the day when the activity is done. Yes? So we do many activities in a day. And we do the activities in a particular order or sequence. From morning to till night. Yes? We have learned the concept of, we have learned the term earlier and later. Yes, which activity we do earlier, which activity we do later. We have learned. Then we have learned the parts of the day. As I have told you, parts of the day, morning, noon, afternoon and evening. Yes, so one day, 24 hours. Yes, we have learned timeline. A timeline is a what? Number line on which time is shown. Now, these are the activities given. Here, what we are going to find out? We are going to find out which part of the day we do those activities. So here is the number 1. I take a bath and get dressed for school. Part of the day, children? Tell me, which part of the day you do this activity? It is morning. Okay? It is what? Morning. Next, I have my breakfast. So we take our breakfast in the morning. Yes or no? So here what we will write? Morning. Next, I go to school. When do you go to school? In the morning. So we will write morning. Okay? Next, I have my lunch. When do we take our lunch? In the afternoon. So part of the day, what we are going to write here? Afternoon. Okay? Afternoon. Next one you say, next activity. I go to play with my friends. When do you go to play with your friends? Morning? No. Morning you go to school. So what we are going to write here? Evening. Yes? The last one. I have my dinner. When do you have your dinner? So we take our dinner, children, at night. So what we will write here? At night. Okay? So see here. These are the activities I have given and we have find out what? Part of the day when this activity is done. Got it, children? Yes? So I hope it is clear how to find the part of the day when the following activities are given. Yes, children? Yes? So we have learned what? We have learned about concept, term, earlier and later. Then we have learned to find the parts of the day. Yes? When we call the morning time, when we call it noon, when we call it afternoon or evening time. Yes? We have learned to with the help of timeline. Yes? Sun rises in the morning. Yeah? Yes, children? Yes or no? So, then what you have learned? How to find the part of the day when the activity is done. This one also we have. So, whatever we have learned, children, you all practice this. Okay? So, next class, we are going to learn another topic that is about long and short. Alright, children? We are going to learn what? About another topic that is long and short. So today you all practice this. How to find the part of the day when certain activities are given. As I told you, we do lots of activities in a day. We do activities in a particular order or a sequence, in series. From morning to till night. And we follow what? We follow time. Yes, we follow time. Got it, children? Yes? So kindly you all practice this. Yeah? Thank you.